You know, sometimes it's the simplest things that make an ordinary dish extraordinary. And today, I'm going to show you how to do just that. We're turning everyday basic onions into a restaurant where they go along that's versatile enough to team with just about anything. Let me show you. First, we'll slice a large onion almost paper thin. You can use a really sharp knife or, even easier, a mandolin. It's not only faster and more precise, but it cuts down on the gases that make us cry. Now, we separate these into rings and toss them with some flour that we season with a little salt and pepper. After these are coated, we'll cook them in some hot oil. You want to be careful that the oil doesn't splatter and burn you. In just minutes, these will crisp up and turn golden brown. Then we take them out so they can drain. We sprinkle them with some salt, and they're done. Of course, we could snack on them as is, but we love them even more when we team them up with anything from a juicy steak to our favorite veggies. Simply adding these to whatever you're serving definitely takes it up a notch. Look, the recipe for onion strings is online now, so you can fancy up your next meal with something that costs so little, yet adds so much. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a simple yet fancy way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. That was a big pile a second ago.